Oh my goodness, Hoya Patricia is amazing. I mean that in the literal sense. She amazes me. I imported this Hoya in April from Malaya Gardens, and here she is now, peduncling all over the place and looking as cute as a button. Hoya Patricia is a hybrid of Hoya Darwinii and Hoya elliptica, developed by Anton Jones. You can see the similarity of elliptica in the leaf pattern, whereas the blooms more closely resemble Darwinii. To quote Doug Chamberlain from Vermont Hoyas, I would have to say that there are strong arguments to say that Anton has created the best Hoya hybrid ever, at least to this point. I have 3 of these Hoya, one in pon under highlight, one in pon under medium light, and one in my mucky moss mix in a north window. They are all growing exceptionally well, but this one is in pon under highlight and is the only one to start to show peduncles, so I would suggest a good daily dose of light to encourage blooms. I find Hoya Patricia to be very adaptable to different growing conditions and would class her as a beginner-friendly Hoya. Sometimes my Hoya develop a personality, and for me, Hoya Patricia is the lovable but annoying little sister. She loves to send vines off to explore, and even though she has a perfectly good trellis, she likes to set up home on her neighbours. I must do a time-lapse of her. She recently sent off a vine that I noticed was just about to touch a piece of wood about 3 inches away from the main plant. 2 hours later, that vine had wrapped around that piece of wood. I don't know if she grew that much in that time or if she just stretched out that vine, but it's so cool to watch her. This is a joyful Hoya with interesting leaves and with good light, I would say, is an easy bloomer.